In this video, we will see together how not to mix depuis and puis. So, depuis and puis, they look a bit the same, but they are extremely different. So that's the reason why we will take the time to see some examples and to make sure that you know how to use them. So let's start with depuis. So let's put a timeline here. So the time is going in that direction. And then there is a first event that is in fact connected to the present. And the second one will be connected to the past. So you have the past here and you have the present here. So let's look at the sentence now. J'habite dans cette ville depuis 2019. So as you can see in that case, the first verb, well, there is only one, but the first part with the verb here is in the present. So this is the present. We're talking about now. J'habite dans cette ville. And then you want to make the connection with the past because you want to introduce the date or the year when you started to live in this city. So, j'habite dans cette ville, so you will use depuis, and then you just introduce here the year 2019. J'habite dans cette ville depuis 2019. So now let's have a look at puis. Let's do the same thing. Let's put a timeline here. So we have a first thing, il rentre. So this is the first thing that happens. And then a second thing, il décide de prendre une douche. So this is the first event, this is the second event, and then we want somehow to connect them with this concept of, well, adding another event, you know, from the first one. Il est rentré chez lui, puis il a décidé de prendre une douche. So in that situation, I've been putting them in the passé composé. So it's exactly the same concept. In fact, you just say what he did. Il est rentré chez lui. So this is the first thing. Puis, il a décidé de prendre une douche. This is the second thing. So the second thing is happening after the first one, obviously. Il est rentré chez lui, puis il a décidé de prendre une douche. So as you can see, puis and depuis are extremely different.